Hi people, welcome back to our channel, The Versatile Family. Today is day 4 of our 14 days workout challenge, and we had a gap of 2 days in between, and I've also uploaded a video explaining the reason why we had to take a break. So if you had a break of 2 days in between, then it's okay, we will resume it from today. But if you had been a good child and you had been continuing the workout in these 2 days like Amida, then wonderful, keep up the spirit. You are going to lose more weight than me. And unfortunately it's drizzling outside today, so Amida won't be able to come up to my place today because he stays 4 to 5 kilometers away from my house, and he wanted to come over in spite of this weather, but I said that it's better not to get wet in this pandemic situation, and it's more important that you stay healthy at your home and do not get wet, or do not come up with any conditions where you have to worry about your health. So whatever we are doing, we are trying to stay fit, right? So it's okay, I'll be doing it alone today, and hopefully tomorrow the weather gets better. So if the weather gets better, he'll be joining us from tomorrow onwards. So let's get started. Another thing we forgot to mention in our previous videos is that you have to take a break or rest of 15 to 30 seconds in between each workout. So the minimum is 15 seconds and the maximum is 30 seconds. It will depend on the type of rest your body wants. Like if it's an intense cardio, your body might want you to take a rest of 30 seconds, and if it's a warm up type of exercise, then you can take a rest of 15 seconds. So the rest time is very important. You need to breathe to work out. Your breathing is the procedure which gives your body the energy it requires to work out. So the proper rest period between the workouts is very important. We should have mentioned that in our previous videos. We are extremely sorry for that. So now I'm mentioning this, and from day 4 onwards, hope you guys will maintain this break or rest of this 15 to 30 seconds in between each and every workout. Guys, I'm feeling breathless, so I'm taking a rest of 20 seconds. For this 20 seconds, I'll take deep inhalations and deep exhalations. This process will boost up your energy and will keep you energized to complete the workout. Jumping jacks, it requires more energy, so you might require a break of more than 20 seconds. So you can take a break of 20 to 30 seconds, and the process of taking break is same: deep inhalations and deep exhalations. No talking, no drinking water, just stand in your place and take deep inhalations and deep exhalations. That's it. You will be ready for the next workout. If you do this process, you won't feel tired, you won't feel demotivated, you won't feel drained out easily. So spot running is something which requires a lot of energy also. So for spot running also, we'll take a break of 30 seconds. Another tip I can give you guys, for intense workouts like spot running or any other cardio exercises, you should keep your mouth closed. Don't breathe through your mouth, because breathing through mouth while doing the workout may lead to more exhaustions, and you might feel more tired. So keep your mouth shut, don't breathe through your mouth while doing the workout, which requires more energy. As you can see guys, even we feel like giving up, we feel like not completing the whole workout schedule, but it's the urge to lose weight, to become more fit, it keeps us going. And you can see that I have completed only half of the exercises. I'm still left with many. I have the feeling to give up, but I'm taking deep breaths. I'm exhaling and inhaling deeply, and now I'm feeling a little more energized, and I'll complete it. As you guys could see in the last exercise, the leg drops, I almost felt like giving up. I'm supposed to do 12 repetitions, but after 8 repetitions I felt like I can't do it. So what I did, I just lied flat, massaged my tummy for a second or two, and then I completed the rest of the 4. So you guys can do it, like even if you feel like giving up, you can just get a break of 1 or 2 seconds and continue the workout. But try to complete the number of repetitions we have mentioned, because that is what it is going to work. That is what which is going to make you lose weight. Now we have 3 more repetitions, then another 2 more new exercises. We'll add only 1 repetition today, that is slow burpees. Slow burpees will be repeated today, and from tomorrow onwards we'll add more exercises. Done for today. I've completed the target, the number of workouts I had planned to do. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys are also joining us in this workout challenge. If you like our workout and the tips that we're giving, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that everybody can reap the benefits of this workout challenge, and everybody can become fit and more powerful, develop more powerful muscles, and become lean and thin, and what you call more healthier.